Hi guys, so I'm going to show you a quick makeup look that you can do for your virtual meetings and Zoom calls. So let's just get right into it. All you'll need is 4 products. Actually, it can be reduced to 3 and I'll tell you how. So let's just get started. So I've already cleansed my face and moisturized it. And the next thing I'm going to do is apply some concealer. I am using this one. So one thing that you need to realize with your webcam is that it can sort of give you a very washed out and blurred look. So I personally feel since it already blurs out your imperfections in your skin, you do not need much coverage. So you can just skip the foundation and apply a concealer. Now what I've done is I've just put some concealer on the inner corner and some on the outer corner, and I'm just blending that in with my finger. You can do this even with a brush or a beauty blender, but since it's a quick look and I do not want to use too many things and wanted to keep the process really simple, something that everyone could do it, so I'm just using my fingers to blend it out. Now the thing with makeup is less is always more. So first apply less, and if you feel like you need a little bit more, you can go on top again. And I'm just gonna add some amount of concealer on a couple of my spots here. Around my mouth, and there is this little bit of discoloration here, so I'm just gonna apply it here as well. And around my nose. I'm just gonna go back a little bit over here. Alright, that's it. You just have to dab the product in and just blend it out. Okay, so that's done. So next thing I'm going to do is apply some blush, and I'm using this one. It's Benetton by Benefit Cosmetics. I love that it gives a really nice dewy fresh skin-like look. So I'm just gonna put some spots and blend it out. Like I said, the webcam sort of washes out your face, so you can go a little heavy on the blush. It'll just make you look more alive and fresh. And using the same fingers, I'm just gonna blend it out. Now the placement of the blush, you can do whatever suits your face better. Do you want to go heavy on the cheeks, or you want a lifted look, so you can apply it in this area, right across your cheekbone. And just a little bit of remaining product, I'm just going to put it on my nose. Yeah, I think I'm going to go in with a little bit more. I personally love a nice blush, because even if I don't have anything else, I just prefer having a blush on. It gives a very sort of nice, fresh, youthful look. Now what you can do is, if you have a lip and cheek tint, you can apply the same thing on your lips and you'll be done. But I'm going to apply something else on my lips, so that's why I have 4 products. Otherwise you can achieve this look with just 3 products. You can even just use a lipstick and dab the same on your cheeks as a blush, and then apply the same on your lips. Now the next thing I'm going to do is curl my lashes. I have this eyelash curler. If you already have nice and thick eyelashes, I think you can just sort of stop at this process. But since mine aren't so thick, I'm gonna go in with a mascara over this. And if you're feeling extra, you could even maybe tightline your eyelashes, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna apply some mascara. You see? It looks instantly better. And how I like to apply this, I try to concentrate most of the product at the base of my lashes and just wiggle the wand a bit. And I try to avoid putting product at the ends of my lashes as much as I can. I just like putting a nice even coat at the base. Okay. Sometimes I do like to do my lower eyelashes, but sometimes I skip it altogether depending on how much time I have before my meetings. Alright, that's done, and we're just left with the last step, which is applying a lipstick. So I'm using this one from e.l.f. and it's their sheer slick lipstick, so it has a nice moist finish to it. And that's it, you're done. All it takes is 5 minutes, barely any products, and it gives a nice fresh look, so that you look nice and lovely for your meeting. So yeah, do try this out and let me know how it goes, and please do share your process in the comments below, so that everyone can know that what is it that you like doing for your Zoom meetings and virtual calls. So we'll be back with another video soon, so until then, bye bye.